Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to show you how to easily change your username on the Substack app. This tutorial will guide you through the process so you can update your profile quickly. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings page, you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile information. Scroll down until you find your current username. Tap on the username field to remove the old one. Then type in your new username carefully. Make sure it's unique and represents you well. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. Your username is now updated and will be visible to all your followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.